Okay, so one of the easiest and first modifications you can do to your bike is get rid of these big, ugly orange fork reflectors. And I mean, obviously they're there for safety reasons, so you don't want to just pull it off and do nothing. So the idea is take this off, and I'm going to replace it with, you can get black reflector tape. Put that on there, and also put rim tape on the wheel. But to take this off, it's just stuck on there with double-sided sticky tape. If you have Herculean strength, you might be able to pull that off, but most likely you're going to need something to do it with. And so the simplest way is just a little bit of a dental floss or fishing line. Basically some sort of something thin and strong that you can get behind there and just cut through the tape. And dental floss isn't always the strongest. Once you get down to a certain point, you can probably pry it off. So you can see that there's this double-sided sticky tape on the back. If you're lucky, most of it comes off on the reflector. If you have any left still on the fork, you might be able to rub it off, or also you can use some stuff like this goof off here, which takes away residue. So you can rub some of it off. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I have these black reflector stickers, which I'm going to use to replace the reflector that I just took off. And then also I do have this rim tape. And if you can't already tell, I actually already put the rim tape on. So you can see I stuck it on all along the edge. For the rim tape, you do have to buy the correct size for your rim. So these are 18-inch rims because, you know, there's a certain turn radius that they go on, so that way they fit the wheel correctly without getting all kinks and folds in it. So the reflector tape is just simply just a sticker. Just stick it on. Just try to get it as straight as possible, because if you get it crooked, these can be a little bit of a pain to remove because they do stick on really well. So let's see if I can get this where I want, nice and straight. There we go. And in the daylight, you don't really see them. They blend in. Unless you're looking for it, you probably won't even notice. But at night, when light hits it, it just lights up nice and bright. So this and the rim tape as well. And that's pretty much it. It's a way to, nice, easy little change you can do to the bike just to make it look a little bit better.